Hi, my name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and today I'm going to show you how to open a PDF link in Google Docs. First, I'm going to go to docs.google.com/viewer. Here, I can put in the link of any kind of document. In this case, I'm going to do a PDF. I already have one saved to my clipboard, so I'm just going to use Control-V to paste that link here. Then I can put in optional link text. I'm just going to type View PDF and then click Generate Link. Now it gives me a link that I can paste into an email or an instant message or anywhere else. I'm going to highlight that and use Control-C to copy it, and then I'm going to open a new browser tab to test it out. Here I'm going to use Control-V to paste my new link and press Enter. Now you'll see this PDF is being opened in Google Docs Viewer. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and today I showed you how to open a PDF link in Google Docs.